Welcome back guys in our Python programming channel presented by Geek. As in first part of fundamental of Python, we have covered variables and its types in just 5 minutes. So those who have missed this video, check it out. The link is provided in description box. Now without wasting any time further, let's start the video. In today's video, we are going to know about keywords, operators, tokens and comments. Keywords. Keywords are the reserved words used by the Python to recognize the structure of the program. Keywords are the reserved words have specific meaning for an interpreter to recognize the structure of the program. Meanwhile, keywords are the basics which are used to design the program. Also, these keywords cannot be used as a variable, and with the help of these keywords, a program will design. Operators. Operators are special symbols which represent computation. They are applied on the operand, which can be value or a variable. Operators are categorized as arithmetic, relational, logical, and assignment. Arithmetical operators. In arithmetical operators, following operators comes addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponential, and floating. And here are some examples of those. Assignment operators. Under assignment operators, these following operators come: equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, multiply equal to, divide equal to, modulus equal to, and etc. Relational operators. Under relational operators, these following operators come: equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. And here are some examples. Logical operators. Those operators which apply logic are known as logical operators. And here are some: and, or not. Tokens. The smallest element of the Python script that is meaningful to the interpreter is known as token. There are following categories of tokens: identifiers, keywords, literals, operators, and delimiters. Identifiers. The name of any variable or constant, function, or modulus is called an identifier. Example of identifier are ABC, x123y, India, _123, swap, or etc. Keywords. The reserved words of the Python which have special fixed meaning for an interpreter, and as we have discussed previously. Literals. A fixed number or a numeric value is called a literal. Example: z minus 23.6, ABC, etc. Operators are symbols or a word that perform some kind of operations on the given value and return the result. Example: plus, minus, multiply, as we have discussed earlier this show. Delimiters. Delimiters are the symbols which can be used as separation of values or to enclose some values. Example: curly bracket, square brackets, or simple brackets. Comments. Comments are the statement in the script that are ignored by the Python interpreter and therefore have no effect on the output of the code. A comment in the Python starts with a hashtag symbol anywhere in the line and extend till the end of the line. For example, hashtag this is a single line comment, x equal to 10, y equal to x plus 20, and hashtag value of y is assigned as x plus 20. Print y, and here's the output. And as you can see, the comments has been not considered in the output. All for the day today. Thanks for watching video. Just don't forget to like, subscribe and share.